What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download MilkyWay Tweak on iOS 16. If you don't know what MilkyWay Tweak is, it's a tweak that allows you to use more than one app at the same time on iOS devices. As you see, MilkyWay Tweak stands as the latest breakthrough in the world of jailbreak tweaks. You gain the power to effortlessly launch apps in a Windows, enabling seamless multitasking and empowering you to view apps items on your iPhone screen. It's the best multitasking tweak, and I'm gonna show you how to get it on iOS 16. So let's get started. But first, hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. It really helps me out. Thank you. So first, go ahead and open Zebra or Cydia package manager. I will open Cydia. Go to the sources here and make sure to add these sources. The first one is this, a QCO repo, and also add this one, brands repo, and finally add this one, allocate repo. So make sure to add these three sources. Okay, now before installing MilkyWay Tweak, you need to install these tweaks. So go to search here and search for legacy ARM64E support. Make sure to install it from allocate repo, press get, tap here, hit confirm, respring later. Now the second tweak you need to install is Backgrounder Action 15cc support. Make sure to install it from a QCO repo. I will install it, respring later. Now you need to install MilkyWay to iOS 14 fix. And also make sure to install it from brands repo. It's important to install it from this repo. So go ahead and install it, press get, tap here, hit confirm. Okay, respring later. Now finally you will install MilkyWay Tweak. If you search for it, you will not find it, so you will need to download it as zip file or just download it directly from my repo. Just go to sources here and add my repo. I uploaded the tweak to my repo because I couldn't find it anywhere. So after adding the repo, go ahead to the search. Here search for MilkyWay to iOS 16. Okay, this is it. As I said, I couldn't find it anywhere, so I uploaded it to my repo. Go ahead and install it, hit get, tap here, confirm. Okay, after you install it, go to packages here and make sure you have these four tweaks installed. Legacy ARM64E support from allocate repo, Backgrounder Action 15cc support from iOS repo, MilkyWay to iOS 14 fix from brands repo, and finally MilkyWay to iOS 16 from my repo. Okay, after that, just go ahead and respring your device and congrats. Now you have MilkyWay Tweak on iOS 16. Okay, now let's open the device and see if it works or not. Go to settings, scroll down to tweaks. As you see, this is it, MilkyWay Tweak. Now let's try it. Open multitasking, press and hold on any app, and boom, as you see, it works perfectly. I love MilkyWay Tweak because it allows you to resize the app window as you want. Okay, let's try it again with another app, and that's it. So guys, this is how to get MilkyWay Tweak on iOS 16. My device is running iOS 16.2 as you see, and it works perfect. MilkyWay is the ultimate jailbreak tweak, allowing you to easily run apps in a single window, allowing you to perform tasks with ease. You will find the sources below this video. So guys, this is our video for today, and as always, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a like, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and peace.